type of liquor over here to the table, every bottle. We got Weezy, Bus, Payne, and Jamie Foxx over here.
Got you feeling loose, blame it on the throne. Got you in the zone, blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the
Mommy in the club, mommy see me and now she stepping to the bar because she knows she need me.
Hey, how's it going? As you can see, we just got the Mini 9 in, and it's a pretty small box. You know, about 3 or 4 inches this way, maybe like 8 inches that way. Small, you know. And as you can see, we have the packing slip right here. Let's see what's in this. Just a bunch of writing. How do you even open this thing? Oh, here we go. Oh, nice. Pretty nice packaging. I'll come back to that later. Nice books. You know. Hold on. Alright, let's continue. As you can see, there's a really nice book. You know, Inspiron. Setup guide. Quick start guide. Yeah, what is that? Here's a important information before using your computer. Some CD with Ubuntu. Ooh, nice. Drivers and utilities. And a power adapter. Alright, that's it. Oh, and then it says connect. I can't focus, but connect the AC adapter before using the system for the first time. Pretty small, really light. Oh, just open that. Pretty soft cover. Oh, that's for the screen. Oh wow, that's nice. Really small. You can see my hand. It's about 2 hands. The screen is awesome. And see you next week for the hardware software tour.